All right. Hi, everyone. I'm recording this video because I got some questions about the total revenue, and I decided actually to do one video on the total revenue test. It's from chapter 6, where we discussed about price elasticity of demand. So let's say when your price is $2, I'm just going to do like one quick example for you. The quantity is 5. And let's say the price of this imaginary product is going up from $2 to 4 as a result, since it's more expensive, and these are my QDs, the quantity will go down from 5 to 2. So when the price is $2, we are going to buy 5 units of this output. And when the price is going up to $4, the quantity is going down from 5 to 2. Remember that the total revenue test allows us to measure the elasticity. So you can either get the price elasticity of demand using the midpoint formula, or you can figure out the elasticity by looking at the relationship between price and total revenue. Okay, so I can calculate basically the total revenue for these two prices. So when the price is $2, I'm buying 5. So the total revenue is 2 times 5. Remember, the total revenue is price times quantity. So the total revenue here is $10. And let's do the same thing for price of $4. So the total revenue when the price increases from $2 to $4 will be price 4 times quantity, which is 2. So 4 times 2 is $8. So what happened here? Price went up from $2 to 4, right? So the price is increasing. Look at the total revenue. Our total revenue is going down here from 10 to $8. So our total revenue, in the other word, is moving in the opposite direction of our price. Price is going up, but total revenue is going down. If you look at the note, that's the definition for elastic demand. What does it mean? Price and total revenue are moving in the opposite direction. So our buyers are very sensitive to price changes. Price went up from 2 to 4. The quantity is going down, but the change in quantity is significant. It means that the buyers are sensitive to this price change. So demand here in this example is elastic. If elastic, it's really hard to write here. Elastic. Because again, because of the relationship between price and total revenue. But let's say in another example, you look into the price and the changes in total revenue, and you figure out that your price and your total revenue are moving in the same direction. What does it mean? The price, let's say, is going up, your total revenue is also increasing, or your price is going down, and you also see the decline in total revenue. In this case, our price and total revenue are moving again in the same direction. They are both decreasing. Here they are moving in the same direction, but they are increasing. In this case, we can say that the demand is inelastic in this example. Elastic. Okay, elastic. What does it mean? it means that our buyers actually are not that sensitive to price changes. Price is, let's say in this case, the price is going up, okay? But you can see that the total revenue is still increasing. It means that however the quantity demanded is going down, remember, it doesn't matter if we're talking about elastic or inelastic demand, because of law of demand, we always have that inverse relationship between price and quantity, okay? So here in this example, price is going up, so the product we're selling actually is more expensive than before, but our total revenue is also growing. It shows that people actually are not really that sensitive to prices. They keep buying it. Their quantity is going down because it's more expensive than before, but the change in quantity is not that big, is not that significant. That's why we see this higher total revenue, and that's why we say that the demand is inelastic. So remember that the price elasticity of demand measures how sensitive we are to changes in price, okay? We are measuring how much this quantity is changing when there is a change in price. So you can either figure out the elasticity using the midpoint formula that I explained in another video for you, or by looking at the relationship between price and total revenue. So that's easy. Calculate your total revenue and see what's happening to the price. If price and total revenue are moving in the opposite direction, like here, the demand is elastic. Remember, you can also think about the opposite case. Okay, I just wrote the higher price because of the example that I did. But you can also look at the inverse case where price is going down from $4 to $2, and your quantity is going up, let's say from 2 to 5. Then you will see that here in that example, if you look at the inverse case, price is going down, your total revenue is going up. Either way, your demand is elastic because the price and total revenue are moving in the opposite direction. So if this is the case, price going up, total revenue going down, or this is the case where price is going down, total revenue is going up, your demand will be elastic. And if you are looking into the same changes in price and total revenue like here or here, then your demand is inelastic. So hopefully you find the video helpful. Let me know again if you have any questions. And that's pretty much it. So this is the total revenue test chapter